Fresh clips. All right, very exciting day here. In front of me, I've got the latest smartphone, the OnePlus 6, just announced. Now, I do need to say this is an unboxing video. The software that's on here is the review version. It's not the final version, so I can't really evaluate it right now, but I can show you what it looks like and some of the changes from the 5T. So in front of me here, I have the mirror black version with 128 gigabytes of storage. I've also got the midnight black over there, so I'll be showing you both of those. And there will be a third color as well, but for now, it's these two. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, the OnePlus 6. What do you say, Jack? Kablamo, mirror black, and it's got this polished look to it. It's made out of glass. You can see the layout changed here in the back from the 5T. You still have a dual camera setup with the fingerprint sensor now underneath it. Portrait orientation here. If I compare that to the 5T, everything lines up now comparative to the last one. You still have the famous OnePlus textured hold switch. This will switch between the various sound modes on the device quickly, and when you reach into your pocket, you don't even need to see the device to know that you're touching the right switch. You have a USB Type-C port for the dash charge. Thankfully, a headphone jack still exists in this location. All right. As you can see, it's got some juice right now, and there you have it. This, of course, the first OnePlus device adopting the notch. There's something I'm happy to report here. If you are not a notch fan, you can actually get rid of it, as you'll see right here. You can hide the notch area or show the notch area, so there's something for everyone. You want to get rid of it? There you go. Even if you don't like the look of the notch, you're still using that space, if you see what I'm saying. So it looks like it's part of the bezel, but it's displaying information for you. I think all manufacturers should do this. If you are going to have the notch, make it so that within the software you can disable it if you choose to. There is the ability to go into each app and configure how it deals with the notch situation. Now the display is 2280 by 1080, 6.28 inches OLED, very vibrant display as you've come to expect. You're gonna have the dash charger, one of the fastest chargers in the game. They're also going to include a case with a smoked clear look to it. They're also gonna have first party accessories, including one of my favorites, the OnePlus carbon fiber, some wood grain, threaded kind of nylon look. Let me check that out real quick. Ooh, texture, kind of nice. What is that, a little Alcantara? A little softness for your baby. The classic sandstone, soft touch, red material. Okay, cool. As you can see, super reflective. This is kind of the luxury look. For my taste buds, I'm more of a midnight black guy. It's a more matte finish. For me, slightly more stealth, a little bit less reflective. So it's a 2-camera setup, one 20 megapixel, one 16 megapixel. All right, now I know you're interested in specs. This unit here, it's running the new Snapdragon 845. It still has a 3300 milliamp hour battery. It'll be available in 2 different RAM layouts. You could either get 6 gigabytes entry point or 8 gigabytes of RAM. There's also going to be 3 different storage options. Entry level 64 gigabytes, then 128 like the mirror black version I have there, and you can even go up to 256 gigabytes of storage. And you will notice it is a dual SIM setup, as you probably hoped for. The OnePlus 6 also has faster LTE than the previous version. It's now gigabit, and I was told that the design decision to go with a glass back, that's right, even on this midnight version, the matte finish that's still glass, was in order to facilitate this faster LTE. Camera sensors have gotten bigger, which is something I'm sure many of you wanted to hear. This should mean better low light performance, and I hate to say it, I can't show you full demonstration right now. Optical image stabilization, and in video, 4K up to 60 FPS. It's also going to feature super slow-mo. You can get 1080p footage at 240 FPS or 720p footage at 480 FPS. Now, I know you're probably curious about this screen to body ratio. It's the hot topic. We now have 84% screen to body ratio, keeping the same form factor though as the 5T. So you can see from a form factor perspective, almost identical. So it's not just the notch at the top where they gained more screen in relationship to the body. You can see the chin shrunk down a little bit also from the 5T. Now the device is also going to feature gaming mode, as you might have expected, but there's some improvements there as well. Not only is it capable of blocking notifications, but it also has a network boost feature, which will limit other apps' network usage usage when gaming, prioritize bandwidth for the game in an effort to lower latency for online gaming. And as you can see here, you can turn on gaming mode automatically for certain apps. So you could put your favorite games in here so you could have it on or off depending on the game. All right, so I realized in this video I couldn't really evaluate the camera, the speaker, and various other aspects. This is not final retail software that you will receive. I will make that video, so stay tuned for that. This thing is gonna retail for $529. Super competitive. It's gonna make you think. So there it is. Mirror black finish, midnight black finish. This one's probably my preference right now, though I really do like the white one. Hopefully I'll get my hands on that one as well for the more comprehensive video. The OnePlus 6, it exists. Let me know what you guys think. Leave a comment down below and stay tuned for the next one.